In this video, I want to show you how to 6-pick before my ends find a trend on Instagram. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing, you have to simply open up the Instagram and make sure before you want to get this as your trend, you need to simply first find out my Instagram profile. And on my Instagram profile here, you notice that I have mentioned the highlight my ends. So before you want to use it, so simply open up my Instagram, and now you can simply open up the highlight that I have already ate. And here you can see I have already mentioned a 6-pick before my ends. And you notice there's a 2 million people are using this 8 US trend, and here you can access all of them. But if you want to use it, so you need to simply tap on 8 US, and now it asks the 6 pics before my end. So I just want to randomly capture a photo. So you can also pick the photos from your gallery by tapping on this little bit gallery icon, and you notice that all my photo will be displayed here. So you can also select here photos, but I want to just randomly create the 8 years trend. So I want to simply go back, and here I can simply capture 6 random pics. So you can see I have captured the 6 blank photos, and now I want to simply tap on your story, and you notice that I can also add the 6 pics with the 6 pics before my end trend. So in this way you can get this beautiful latest Instagram trend 8 years. So I hope you find this video helpful for you. So if you like this video, please comment and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.